Welcome! If Instagram group chat notifications are overwhelming your phone, today I'll show you how to turn them off quickly and easily with the latest update. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're there, look to the top right and tap the icon to open the menu. This is where you'll find all your settings and privacy options. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. This section controls everything from your account info to notifications. Scroll down a bit until you see Notifications and tap on it. This is the key area where you can customize what alerts you receive from Instagram. Under Notifications, find and tap Messages. Here, you'll see options specifically for message alerts, including those from both individual chats and group chats. To stop receiving notifications from group messages, locate the setting labeled Messages from individual and group chats. Finally, select Off. This will completely silence notifications from all your Instagram group chats, giving you peace and quiet without missing out on other app updates. And that's it. You've successfully turned off chat notifications for group messages on Instagram. Now you can enjoy a more focused Instagram experience without constant pings from group chats. Remember, you can always come back and adjust these settings anytime if you want to start receiving notifications again. Thanks for watching and enjoy your distraction-free Instagram.